Your tires look terrible, and every product you have ever bought to fix, that is the reason why. Right now, you are losing money every single week on tire shine that washes off in the next rainstorm, turns brown by Tuesday, and quietly destroys the rubber underneath while it does it. This video exposes 7 tire shine hacks that professional detailers use to transform that embarrassing chalky brown sidewall into a deep jet black finish so clean it looks like the car was delivered this morning. These are not the recycled tips you have seen on every detailing channel. These are the exact techniques and product choices that determine whether your tire shine lasts 48 hours or 8 weeks. Hack number 1 is the single step that separates every amateur tire job from a professional result. And once you see it, you will never go back. Hack number 7 is the step almost nobody does, and the exact reason every tire shine job you have ever done fell apart within 2 days. Before a single drop of product touches your tire, strip the rubber completely bare with a dedicated tire cleaner and a stiff bristled brush. Not dish soap, not an all-purpose cleaner, not a quick rinse. A purpose-built tire cleaner like Chemical Guy's Decon Pro or Meguiar's D181, scrubbed hard in circular motions until the foam turns from brown to white. Tires naturally push chemicals called antioxidants to the surface to protect the rubber from UV damage and cracking. That brown film on neglected tires is not road dirt. It is the tire protecting itself. When you apply tire shine over that layer without removing it first, you are not bonding product to rubber. You are bonding product to contamination, and it slides right off the moment it rains, or your tire flexes at speed. Every product you have ever applied to an unclean tire was working at 30% of its potential. Clean rubber is the foundation of every result on this list. Hack number 6 is drying, and if you think this step does not matter, this is exactly why your finishes have always looked uneven and patchy. After stripping the tire, dry the entire sidewall with a clean microfiber towel, working into the grooves around raised lettering and along the rim edge where water hides. Any moisture left on the surface acts as a barrier between the product and the rubber. Water-based dressings dilute on contact and cure unevenly. Solvent-based dressings bead on the wet surface and never penetrate. After towel drying, give the tire 5 full minutes of air-dry time. Rushing this step is a costly mistake that no better product can ever fix afterward. Hack number 5 is applicator choice, and this single detail will immediately double the durability of whatever product you are already using. Most people apply tire shine with a paper towel, a shop rag, or directly from a spray nozzle, and every one of those methods guarantees an uneven result. A spray nozzle dumps too much product in pools and thin patches simultaneously, meaning heavy areas never cure and thin areas do not last. The correct tool is a foam applicator pad worked across the sidewall in overlapping circular passes that distribute the dressing in one consistent thin layer. For tires with deep raised lettering, use a small detailing brush to work product into the grooves without leaving thick buildup that slings onto your paint at speed. A bad delivery system ruins even the best product every time. Hack number 4 is the thin coat principle. And this destroys every instinct you have when you are standing there, holding a bottle of tire shine. More product does not mean more shine. It means faster failure. When you apply a thick, heavy coat, the outer surface cures while the product underneath stays wet and never properly bonds to the rubber. The first time that tire contacts a wet road, the uncured layer shears away and takes everything above it. Apply the thinnest coat you think could possibly be enough. Work it in completely, and step back. 2 thin coats applied with patience will always destroy. 1 heavy coat applied in a rush. Hack number 3 is product selection. And this single decision determines whether your tires look incredible for 48 hours or 48 days. The clear, greasy spray cans at every auto parts store are almost universally solvent-based silicone dressings that force petroleum solvents into the rubber to carry silicone deep into the pores. They look great immediately, and then those solvents evaporate back out within days, pulling the rubber's natural elasticity with them, and leaving a brown, dried-out surface that looks worse than before you started. Michelin has issued technical bulletins warning specifically against these products. Switch to a water-based dressing like Getechnik T2 tire dressing, or Adams Tire Shine, or for maximum durability, a wax-based product like Soft 99 Tire Black Wax that uses carbon black pigment to replenish the tire's original color, instead of coating it with a substance designed to fail. The price difference is almost nothing. The results difference is everything. Hack number 2 is cure time, and violating this one rule undoes every correct decision you made before it. After applying your dressing, the product needs time to bond to the rubber before the tire moves, flexes, or contacts any moisture. For water-based dressings, that window is 10 to 15 minutes. For wax-based products, it is 5 to 10 minutes, followed by a light buff. For ceramic or resin-based coatings, it can be up to a full hour. Drive before that window closes, and you will fling product across your rocker panels, fenders, and paint in a black splattered mess. Finish all 4 tires and walk away. The difference between a properly cured finish and a rushed one is the difference between 8 weeks of deep black and a brown regret by Thursday morning. Hack number 1 is the move that separates a 2-day tire job from a 2-month result, and almost nobody outside professional detailing will tell you this. After your base coat has fully cured, apply a second thin layer using the same foam applicator and the same overlapping passes. This is not about adding more product. This is about sealing the first coat. The first application bonds to the clean rubber and creates the adhesion layer. The second application bonds to that cured layer and builds the protective shell on top of it. Together they resist water penetration, UV degradation, and the constant flexing of the tire in a way that no single coat can replicate. Detailing communities consistently report 6 to 10 weeks of deep black finish from a properly prepped double coat. That is not a minor improvement. That is a completely different category of result, and the before and after on your own tires will shock you. You just learned the exact 7-step system that turns a 48-hour tire shine into a finish that holds for months. Strip it properly, dry it completely, use the right applicator, apply thin coats, choose the right product, respect the cure window, and always go back for that second coat. Do all 7 and your tires will look better than the person spraying cheap shine every single week. Drop a comment and tell me what product you have been using and where in the world you are watching from. See you in the next one.